Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn about sets in Python. Now, set is a data type in Python which allows only unique values. That means it does not allow any duplicate elements in it. Now, the number of methods available in sets are 55. Let us see this. Length of dir of set 55. Okay, and some basic methods available in set are add. Let us say my set is S and I have elements 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm going to add 4 as element using add method. So S dot add of, let us say 4. Now print S. See in the output 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is added at the end of the set. So in this way add is used. So then clear. Now you can use clear as dot clear. Now print S. Now you can find set method. That means it is an empty set. So the answer will be empty set. So now, and the third method is copy. Now I have a set called R, okay, and I'm copying the elements of S. So okay, but our set is clear, right? Now I'm creating another set. R is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I am creating another set using copy method. S is r dot copy. Now the original values are R and S is copy of R. So I will print S. Now let us see what will happen. See, the value of S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as R. That means S is a copy of R. Now how to determine this? We can